Hello everyone, welcome to class 3rd. Today we are going to start very interesting topic, living things and non-living things. Let's start. We see many different things around us. Our earth is full of wonderful things. But all these things are not similar. Some are big and some are small. Some are hard and some are soft. We divide them into two main categories. First is man-made thing and natural things. Man-made things. The things which are made by man and can given a desired shape, size, colors, etc. are called man-made things. Like that, clothes, cars, chair, tables, televisions are man-made things. Next is natural things. The things which are provided to us by nature and can never be changed are called natural things. Like that, rivers, cloud, mountains, rain, trees, animal, human beings are natural things. We know that all natural things are not the same. The things that require food, breathe in air, grow, reproduce, and die have a life in comparison to other things which are natural but do not have life in them. Plants, animals, rivers, mountains are example of natural things. Difference between living and non-living things. Living things grow and change shape and size. All living things grow using nutrients they get from food. From the moment you are born, your body changes. You begin as a very small baby, then you become a young child. In a few years, you grow to be an adult. Similarly, a chick grows into a hen and a seed grows into a tree. All plants and animals change during their lifetime. Can a small computer grow into a big computer? Can a small doll grow into a big doll? No, they cannot. Computers, dolls, chairs, rocks, air, water do not grow. Living things breathe. All living things breathe in air to stay alive. They have special body parts to help in breathing. Human beings and most animals breathe through their nose. Insects like grasshopper have air holes along the sides of their body for breathing. Fish breathe through gills. Plant breathes through tiny pores in a leaf called stomata. These tiny pores are so small that you cannot see them. Cover the nose of a teddy bear and doll. Nothing will happen to them. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food to grow, move, and keep their bodies fit and healthy. Food provides energy to them. Animals get their food from plants or other animals. Some animals like cows, goat, sheep, deer, etc. eat only plants. While animals like lion, tigers, jackals, cheetahs, etc. eat other animals as food. Plants make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. On the other hand, human beings and animals both depend on plants for food. Does your doll ever need food? No, it does not. It is not a living thing. Only living things need food. The movement of living things shows that they are alive. Animals and human beings are moved from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. Plants are living things, but they show a very little movement in some of their parts only. The sunflower turns its heads to face the sun. A bud slowly opens to form a flower. The leaves to the touch me not plant close when they are touched. Non living things like car, bicycle, etc. can also move but not on their own. They need to be pushed or pulled by a human being, an animal, or an engine to move. Therefore, movement is a feature of living things only. Living things feel. Living things feel and respond to change around them. They respond to light, touch, heat, and cold. When we get hurt by a sharp object, we feel pain on getting pricked. We can also smell food being cooked in the kitchen. Similarly, human beings switch on the fan in the summer because they feel hot and wear woolen clothes in winter as they feel cold. Plants do not have sense organs, but they can feel the change around them. A plant keep in the shadow will grow in the direction of sunlight. Non-living things do not feel. If you throw your ball, it will not be hurt nor will it cry. Living things reproduce. All living things reproduce. Cats, dogs, cow, buffaloes, deers give birth to young ones. Dog give birth to puppies. Deer give birth to fawn. Human beings have babies too. Crocodiles, snakes, tortoises, birds, hens, lizards lay eggs. Plants also produce young ones. They produce from seeds. When seeds fall on the ground, they grow into baby plants. Non living things cannot produce young ones. Living things die. All living things that are living things die someday. It means living things have a fixed lifespan. The lifespan of animals depends on the kinds of animal it is and the availability of food and water. For example, trees and shrubs live for many years while herbs live for a few months.